right back. Tell them I'm waving right back, saying a great big howdy do out that way. 001 working the low side of my 667, and I'm just getting on down.
Y'all keyed together there.
We all keyed together. What do you mean we all keyed together? I'll stand by. I'll take a pause for the cause there. 001 is going to stand by.
I told you were waving at him right back. 403 was waving at you, 001. I told you were waving right back. I'm back out. 01, but I waved.
Rogers on that. All right. Well, tell him I said thank you for the wave. Tell him 001 said thank you so much for the wave, and I'm waving a great big hello right back to him. All the good numbers to him up there. You tell him 001 said, I'll get back with you.
All right, man, I'll tell him. He said, I'll get back with you. That's what he said. Hey, 403, I'm back out. Hey, 403, 001, waving right back at you. 73.
I appreciate it, everybody, for telling that 403 I'm waving at him. Thank you so much. I know Lakeside said it also there. Good day to y'all. 001 working the low side of my 667, and I'm just getting on down.
I was waiting for zero.
I'm going to wave back at you again, 706 in the van. You're still sounding good around Los Angeles, 706, 001 waving.
Copy, no contact. Hey, Dan, water 403, 403, challenge. 706 in the van, one way that 4 fingers at a time. 369.
Hey, I got a gate going for you there, Lakeside. I got a little gate going on you.
Same thing here. Hey, Roger D on the gate, man. Well, don't ruin your gate. Hey, don't ruin your gate. He'll have to fall off. He'll have to just come unscrewed and fall off. Take care on that end. Hey, 001, I'm up right there. I see you.
All right, I'll close the gate then. I'll close the gate. I don't want nobody to get out of the backyard. All right, catch you later. 001 turning the gate off. I'm gone.
Alright, man, take care. I'm just aggravating you a little bit. Alright, take care on that end. Hey, 001, sounding good around Alabama. I'll see you.
And I love the sound of that microphone there. That microphone sounds good.
Droppers out here, 176. Alright, I'll catch you later, 001. I'll see you.
Bye, 001. Little weak undermodulated Fisher Price Mobile, West Side, getting on down.
Alright, we go Fisher Price Mobile on the west side, getting on down. Alright, 001, take care. I'm up right there. Bye.
Hey, whiskey, pump it up. Yes, I do. I got a camera on this Fisher Price Mobile. Matter of fact, I got you on my Fisher Price Mobile right now with my camera going, Roger.
Okay. Slamming that plastic camera on the Fisher Price Mobile. 001, you sound good, this old Dodge diesel here. 001, a real deal in the big pen. I'm moving your way.
Roger's on that there. Yeah, I'm slamming my old plastic hammer. I got my old plastic Fisher Price hammer going. All right, big brother, have a great day out that way. Thank you so much for the contact, sir. Have a good day. 001 West Side with my little 667 on the low side, and I'm just getting on down.
We're going out that way? Yes, sir. You sounding good out here in the hog yard. 001, be careful, be safe. Real deal in the hog yard. See you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Coondog, what's really going on? Hey, Coondog. Hey, Coondog, what's really going on out there, big brother? 001 getting on down. Hey, Coondog, old Lakeside come in there and said he's waving at you, wanted to wave a big old friendly 5. Hey, Coondog, old Lakeside come in and said he's waving 4 fingers and a thumb at you there, big brother. Coondog, 001 got down.
Hey, I appreciate the ball down, man. I got a slide camera, Lakeside, I guess. Hey, 001, man, these 40 bird watts got down.
And that's all I got on that last transmission was that 40 bird watts waving by. Alright, Coondog, I'll get out of the way. Let somebody else yell at you there, brother. You're sounding so good. Coondog, worldwide, Coondog on the 40 watt birds. 001 waving. Good day.
Hey, hello, Coondog. I'm running 40 and a quarter. It's hard to get that quarter, but I got it. I got it dialed in. Hey, I'm running 40 and a quarter. I need to get some batteries up.
Roger's on running the 40 birds in a quarter. Roger's on running those 40 birds in a quarter. I'm gone.
Small station in the yard. Hey, 403. What's going on around Death Valley? Coondog in Arkansas getting on down.
Alright, I'll catch you later, big brother. Have a good day that way. 001 with the 40, I ain't got 40 bird watts in a quarter. I got 39. I got 39 bird watts. 001 with my 39er, and I'm gone. Running 39 bird watts. I'm running 39 bird watts. That's all I got. 39 bird watts and a 4-foot antenna. 001. I'm getting on down with my 39 bird watts. I'm gone. Shame on me with 39 bird watts. That's all I got. No, wait a minute. I got 49 now. I got 49 bird watts. I'm gone. Yeah, I should junk it, huh? I really should junk this old mess. And look who's easing in. I'm gone.
I'm going to ease on back again. Hey, take care on that end. Well, you're working around the sack town, Lakeside in Alabama, waving to you. Hope you had a good weekend. I know it's been a while back. Hope you have a good one coming up. I'll see you. You her son?
Oh, okay.
I'll see you.